You will thank me for the recipe. Fill the blender cup with peanuts and grind finely. Put the peanuts into a large bowl. Grind dried dates with the blender. Mix the dates with the ground peanuts. Shape a roll from the mixture on the table. Cut into a few equal pieces. Toast sesame seeds in a dry pan. Pour the seeds onto the table. Shape balls from the mixture. Roll in sesame seeds and shape long ropes. Press the ropes in the middle with skewers. Fill the indentations with melted white chocolate. Add horizontal strips of melted dark chocolate and run a sharp tip through the chocolate. Place the resulting rolls on a platter and chill for 1 hour. Put black tea into the teapot. Add cinnamon sticks. Pour hot water and let it infuse. Add vanilla essence and honey. Let the tea infuse. Cut the chilled rolls into equal pieces of a suitable size. These special candies will be loved by everyone.